In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Razer Leviathan V2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly factory reset your Razer Leviathan V1 or V2. The process is essentially the same, so if you are having trouble using this particular soundbar, all that you have to do to reset it to factory default is to press a combination of buttons. So look at the buttons on the top of the soundbar. Before you press the combination of buttons, make sure that it is fully powered off. I recommend just removing the power cord from the back. Once it has been successfully powered off, now the combination of buttons that you need to do is to press the volume up and volume down button alongside the power button. So these are the buttons that you have to press together for a few seconds. Volume up, volume down, and power. So press all of these buttons simultaneously until the soundbar power is off. Then unplug all cables and plug only the power cable back in. Turn on the soundbar and it should be working after the factory reset. So in short, by pressing this combination of buttons, the factory reset will be performed. So when you hold these buttons down for about 3 seconds, all of the profiles, the settings, and everything that you changed will be reset for you. So you can plug the power cord back in and it will be good to go. If for whatever reason this does not work, then you can substitute the power button with the Bluetooth button. So for most models, it is going to be the power button, but if the power button doesn't work, then instead of pressing it alongside the volume up and volume down, press the Bluetooth button instead. And now it should also work for a factory reset. If you connect it to your PC, it is going to be available on the Razer Synapse for you to manage, and it is going to work as an audio device. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Razer Leviathan V2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.